In this video, I'm going to show you how to clean up your ePortfolio when you have more than one, and when you have too many menu bars, and you have your coursework spread out over several ePortfolios. One reason this happens is because when you click on a new assignment, you click Add Work, and what happens is that recreates the menu bar again. So if we're going to come into our ePortfolio, instead of clicking the Add Work button, oops, like that, we are going to actually, to edit the ePortfolio, come to the D in the upper left-hand corner, and you can click on My Account or you can click on Home. Clicking on Home will show you your ePortfolios you've created, and that's how we're going to go ahead and get started today. So I have my deck ePortfolio here, and you see that I've got the menu bar created twice. So I have to fix that. To get started fixing that, I'm going to unlock this little padlock in the upper right hand corner, and from there I can mouse to the menu bar. Next to the menu bar, you'll see the edit pencil, which allows you to edit this module. When you click on that, it shows you your pages and your menu bar. So everything after this first final reflection, I'm just going to hit the trash can. All right, so now I've deleted all my extra pages. I'm going to go ahead and click Save. One really nice thing that Digication does is that it makes you double check everything. So for example, I did finish my event reflection number 1. I'm not sure if I deleted the right one. If I click on this, it opens the event reflection number 1 that I plan to delete, and you can see that that one's blank. So it's okay for me to go ahead and delete all this material. So I'm typing delete and I'm clicking delete it. And now you see I've got a nice clean menu bar. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to click the share button and we're going to publish pages. All right, everything looks fine. If it'll let you publish, go for it. If not, just hit cancel. So my other problem is that if I click here, you see I've got my event reflection number 1 done, but event reflection number 2 is not done, and I know I did it. So I'm going to come back to my home page, and you see, I've got 2 ePortfolios here that are both for the same class. I'm going to click my other ePortfolio, and I'm going to go to my event reflection number 2. Okay, it's not there. I'm coming to my second copy of event reflection number 2, and there's my project. So what I'm going to do is in the upper right hand corner here, I'm going to click the 3 lines and come down to the organizer tool. So now I can either move things around in my current ePortfolio, or I can show another ePortfolio. The one that I just fixed is the one that I actually want to use. So I'm going to choose show another ePortfolio, and I'm going to find the one that I just fixed. And so you can see on here, event reflection number 2 is not showing up, but event reflection number 1 is done. That's the one that I want to keep. So I'm going to pull down to where it says event reflection number 2. Now I'm going to come over here to the little content area settings, and I'm going to click the trash can. That's going to delete this whole section and all the material that's here. I'm going to type delete in. So now I've deleted that. What I have to do now is get this module that I've completed and copy it over here. So if I come to the 3 lines and scroll down, you'll see copy to the left portfolio. We're going to click that. and it copied my work to the other portfolio. So now I can close out of here, and I'm going to go back to home. I'm going to click on my other ePortfolio, events, event reflection number 2. Okay, that is where I want it to be. I'm going to come to the share button. I'm going to publish pages. So I just have one that's publishing this time. Then I'm going to come back to the one that I don't want by going to the home page. There is my ePortfolio that has all the extra stuff and doesn't have what I want it to have on it. So I'm going to come up here, I'm going to click the 3 lines, and I'm going to tell it delete. So this allows me to get rid of the extra ePortfolio I have. Be very careful when you're doing this and make sure that you're only deleting the ones that you actually want to delete. Go slow, take your time, double check. All right, so that is deleted, and now I just have the one ePortfolio. It has my event reflection number 1 on it and my event reflection number 2, and that is what I can submit to my professor. So if you have any questions, this is Dr. McGinnis. Please reach out to me. I'm happy to help you, and come to one of our ePortfolio workshops. Good luck.